A well-designed banner can significantly enhance your online presence. In this tutorial, we'll show you how to create a custom banner using Snappa, a user-friendly graphic design tool. Sign up for Snappa. Go to the Snappa website and sign up for a free account if you don't already have one. Choose a template. Once logged in, select the Banners category from the template library. Choose a template that matches your style or start with a blank canvas. Customize your banner. Edit text. Click on the text boxes to change the font, size, color, and content to fit your branding. Add images. Upload your own images or use Snappa's library of stock photos. You can also adjust the image settings such as opacity, brightness, and contrast. Apply graphics and effects. Use icons, shapes, and overlays to add visual interest to your banner. Snappa also allows you to apply effects like shadows and gradients to make elements stand out. Adjust layout and dimensions. Ensure your banner fits the required dimensions for the platform where it will be used. Snappa provides preset sizes for platforms like YouTube, Twitter, and Facebook. Download your banner. After finalizing your design, click Download and choose your preferred file format. Your custom banner is now ready to use. Designing a custom banner with Snappa is a quick and efficient way to improve your online branding. For more design tips and tutorials, check my links below. Don't forget to like, comment, and consider subscribing to CyberTheo.